Hello again. This is the promised video of what I keep in my essentials kit. This is a green bag that came with a bunch of olive cosmetics from a Swedish pharmacy or drugstore. And in here we can start with the travel toothbrush. I think I got it from like an overnight kit from a train or something. I don't remember where, but it's very compact and useful, and it has that cover, which is really good. I have some tiny cotton buds and some, what are those called? The ear thingies that you aren't supposed to use in your ears. I get so awkward every time someone passes by. We all work here because this is like not an hour when tourists are here. Anyway, cotton buds, tips, things. I don't know. Well, those things. Yeah, I think cotton buds. This is my sleep mask. It's also like an essential for sleeping on airplanes because I can't. I have an eyeshadow palette from Sephora. It's just a very basic one with some neutral colors, or it's all neutrals. I used this one, the silvery, and that one as a very basic eyeshadow on my 31st birthday. Yeah, the other, yeah, 2 weeks ago or so. Yeah. Oh, and I really like the cap. It's right there. Oh, and it's magnetic, so it keeps itself shut. And we've got a collapsible hairbrush because I usually do bring like a large normal-sized hairbrush and a comb. Right now they're in there, so if I want to just tidy up my rat's nest on top of my head, then I can use this, and I don't have to dig through the entire suitcase. I always know where it is. I hope I don't lose anything by digging through here. This one is excellent. This is little, can I show it like this? Yeah. This is soap leaves. So it's really, really thin pieces of soap that is just amazing. It weighs nothing. And I don't know how many, you get 50 in there. And I've used maybe 2 or 3. And it's excellent to just pop in one of these essentials bags, and you always have something to clean your hands with. If the bathroom soap is out or something like that. Micro SD not converter adapter thingy. You plug it in the bottom and it works like an SD card. Recognize these hair clips, and it also works as a mobile phone stand for filming. Hair ties. Can never have too many hair ties. Not that I know of, anyway. USB memory, because I need more memory. Oh, and earplugs and some googly eyes, because I had an idea of putting googly eyes on things and taking fun videos for fun pictures for Instagram, but that didn't happen. But imagine like googly eyes on like this water bottle. That would be adorable. I should super glue those on. That would be so good. Good ideas in the middle of the night. Well, not the middle of the night, but 10 p.m., 11. Rubber band. Because why not? Hair tie. Ooh. Dr. Shaw like shaping blister cushion. 2 of those because sometimes things happen and it's uncomfortable and you don't want that. More hair ties. And more earplugs. These are better than the other ones. Have I told you where I am? I am in Zurich right now. I have a 12-hour layover and I'm filming 2 videos, or I just filmed one and I'm filming this one, but they're going up on different weeks, so yeah, more content from one situation. And I have a little packet of Band-Aids with some varying sizes from Landskrona Hem, because I think my mom got this envelope filled with Band-Aids years and years ago, and I just kept it and refilled it. Tiny sewing kit, because you never know what's gonna happen. Focus. There you go. And you have a little safety pin. You have thread in different colors. It's just cool. You can do a lot with that. And you got some painkillers. We got into the medicine part of it now. In this one, you just rip off the top and pour it into your mouth, and it tastes like cappuccino. Another USB memory, and this one is actually kind of cool because you can use your micro SD cards with it. Oh shoot. There. And then you just, like with any SD card, you press on it and it pops out. It's just 1 gigabyte, but I mean, I could switch that out and increase the memory. And I got this with a mobile phone years ago. Still like that one. This is one of those armbands that they come in pairs, and they're supposed to help with nausea. I get car sick really easily, and like motion sickness in general. And these actually do help if you put them in the right spot. If you put them in the wrong spot, they actually make it worse. And some ibuprofen in a mysterious little tablet case. Zix. They are numbing throat mint thingies. Another USB memory because I don't have enough memory and I need to be able to store my videos, so I took some of those from Sweden. Another one of those microfiber cloths that is currently dry. This is a little handkerchief that I made. There's a tutorial up. It's an earlier video, but it's really good. Basically, the project is this is made from an old shirt from H&M, and it's 100% linen, and I love the feel of the fabric. It's really nice. So I thought I'd just recycle it as like a little handkerchief. Oh, it looks gross. But yeah, it works. Emergency underwear. Makeup mirror, because why not? And I'm trying so hard not to be self-conscious about when people walk by when I film, because I gotta learn that. And a cloth pad, because I want to start seeing how much to reduce my waste in the world, basically. And that's also that. I travel a lot. I gotta do what I can. Oh, it's a little bag of tampons for, if you're surprised. Because that can happen. And a little piece of Lush soap. It's a Rockstar scent. It smells excellent. I'm probably gonna try to use that soon because it's a little bit mushy now. And we have a makeup brush. This is from Chart. I think it's a travel set because many of them are double-ended, and this one is like the easiest one because it's got one packing side and one blending side. So it's easy to use with that palette that I showed you before. Another hair dye. And my favorite object like ever, it's a mini spork because I love food. And this one helps me eat food if there are no other utensils in the vicinity. So yeah, get yourself a spork. And I love that this is translucent because what's it called? The Light My Fire sporks. Like, they usually only last me a year because I guess I'm kind of hardcore with them. Like, I don't go easy on them. When I was in Jamaica, I brought one over. I studied physics there, and like while I was cooking with it, it broke off like right there because like it's made of this hard plastic, so it can stand some temperatures and some strain, but it's a little bit brittle. So you need to be careful with it. And that's enough rambling about sporks and my obsession with those. I hope you enjoyed that. I certainly did. Yeah, I this one, it goes in every like purse and handbag. If I know I'm gonna be away for more than a few hours, I will pack this thing because I like to be prepared. You never know what's gonna happen. And yeah, I'm still learning where to aim the camera. Like there is pretty good, and I should probably look into the camera, not the viewfinder, but I'm working on it. I'll learn. And now I've shown you basically everything that I got, and that's of any interest. The other bag is just basically clothes. It's not as fun. So, I hope you had a little bit of fun. I'm really tired, so I'm gonna try to get a few hours of sleep here since it's so calm and quiet, and they're gonna start hustling and bustling at about 5 a.m. I think. So I'm gonna make the most of these quiet hours now, and I'll see you next time. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.